Playdate sold 20,000 units in 20 minutes. I heard about this.
Have you seen it?
Okay, hang on a sec. Who makes Playdate? Who makes this? Or is the whole company called Playdate?
I believe it's the company. I believe this is new.
No, it's definitely new. But I remember it being talked about
backed by a company?
long time ago. But it's got a kind of iconic design to it. So I was curious who designed it. It almost looks like teenage engineering.
Kind of, yes.
But it's like that old but new / Japan / I'm just going to keep slashing things.
It's very utility, you know?
It's weird.
But also playful.
Yeah, it's like, it's a strange mix of emotions, the way the thing is designed.
Uh-huh.
Because it has old school elements like the AB button and the D-pad.
And it has a crank.
But the layout of the screen and then part of your brain is telling you it's modern and new. Ooh, it's a little smaller. When I see it in people's hands there, it's a little smaller.
Deceivingly small.
Than I expected. I don't know if I can play on that thing. I think you might look at me sideways if I'm playing on that. If you come
just
in
hunched
here.
over.
If I'm just having a play date and you come in here. But it looks cool. Like I like it as an object.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the way it fits in one hand here.
And it has games built in that are...
thanks to our friends at Teenage Engineering. Playdate looks incredible. It's colorful and it fits in your pocket. Yeah,
no wonder.
I knew it had that aesthetic to it. So that's crazy. That means that this company Playdate teamed up with Teenage Engineering strictly for their design prowess, and so did Nothing. So now everyone's reaching out to Teenage Engineering just be like, I need a product. And they're like, yeah, no problem.
I mean, they're doing great work, I guess.
They'll probably take a few bucks from you, too. They're like, we're going to need a few bucks.
Yeah, it's $180.
Whoo!
And there's accessories as well.
Oh, man, this thing is crazy. It's like the olden days of gadgets here.
Uh-huh.
And they sold 20,000 units. So obviously the internet is into it. As reported by TechCrunch, Panic said that its shipping estimator accurately confirmed 20,000 units of the handheld has sold in just under 20 minutes. So it's probably more now.
Mm-hmm.
When they went up for pre-order on July 29th, orders after that point are still being accepted, but they are unlikely to reach customers until 2022. People are just so into gaming right now. All forms of gaming.
And this is surprising because it's handheld.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, your phone, you could just download an app and
Hey,
play
man.
a game.
Hey, man. That don't sound
but
like
this is obviously different.
That don't sound like a play date to me. No, I hear you. I hear you, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think there might be a resurgence for these kind of handheld devices.
This is like the gaming equivalent of vinyl records.
Yes.
You just want to feel those old school.
Tactile.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. You want a crank. You need a crank. Where's my crank?
A crank.